Alright, y'all, my order from Minotaur from last month came in. I got the steak and potatoes au gratin, scrambled eggs Benedict, bangers and mash. Never had that. Don't even really know. I think bangers are sausages, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I'll let you know. Ended up getting 3 French vanilla cappuccinos, 3 regular cappuccinos, and then Justin's chicken hot pot, the turkey and cornbread dressing and gravy, and a lamb stew. I will be ordering more, and as always, this time I actually got a signature from Bob. I appreciate it, Bob. Y'all are awesome. Thank you. Let me pause this because I'm going to open up those, see what the goodies are inside. Okay, we got the accessory kit, the Smarties candy, Taster's Choice there, some salt, see the pepper in there. Hold on a second. Okay, add some moist towel, salt, sugar, spork, jalapeno cashews, rice with vegetables, dessert is plain cheesecake, jalapeno or bacon, jalapeno cheddar cheese spread. Sky Flakes crackers. Now, I've actually had these before. A guy I used to work with years ago brought them in. These things really do remind me of the old school saltines before they reduced them. Those are pretty good. There's the main, bangers and mash. 2 drinks are a French vanilla cappuccino and a cherry drink mix. The first one, I'm not going to make you watch all. Let me put it all back together. Okay, this is the scrambled eggs Benedict. Accessory pack again. Got the cinnamon chiclets in there instead of the Smarties, which is cool. Salt, pepper, coffee, non-dairy creamer, dehydrated marshmallow snack, chocolate peanuts bread. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Here's a main, scrambled eggs Benedict, rice and vegetables, more Sky Flakes. I do like those. Plain cheesecake, French vanilla cappuccino, and a blue raspberry drink mix. Pause this, I'll be back. Okay, last but not least, steak and potatoes, au gratin, accessory kit, same setup, moist towelette, creamer, breakfast blend. Ooh, that's a tea, I think. That's a tea. I like that change up. Salt, pepper, moist towelette. Yep. Creamer. Okay. Dehydrated marshmallow snack. Bacon jalapeno cheddar cheese spread. The main. Steak and potatoes au gratin. And chili for a side dish. Chili. Sky Flake crackers. Plain cheesecake. I'm going to be eating some serious cheesecake here. Tropical drink mix. or Tropical Blast drink mix, which there's 2 of those. I really like these. Got 2 of those in there. And that is this month's order of Minotaur. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. You all have a blessed day.